Growing your own sweet potato slip update. As you can see, it's been about a month since the first video, and these were the ones that had already started coming up, the ones that were sprouted in the house that we planted. So they looked about like that when we started. So they're getting good size on them, but look at the others. Doesn't really look like anything yet, but they're starting. It just takes, the warmer it is, the better it is, but it's still been pretty cool at night in the greenhouse. If I had the heating pads under these, I'm sure they would have sprouted sooner, but I did actually dig some of these up and look at them, and they have sprouted roots on the bottom, so they'll be sprouting soon. But I'll go ahead and, it's way too early for sweet potatoes, let me just say that. But I was just kind of gung-ho about getting them going, so. But whenever you're ready to get some going, just pull them off just like that, and you see the little roots. And then usually just pick off the bottom leaves, and you can just leave, just one or two leaves like that. Stick it in your cup of water. Make sure your roots are under the water, and that'll keep growing, and that'll be fine until you're ready to plant it. This, like I said, way too early, but I was just excited to get them going. So if these will stay in that cup of water, yeah, that's a big root there. If they'll stay in that cup of water for a month, that'd be great. If not, if they die off, I've got plenty more coming. So, but like I said, as long as you keep these sweet potatoes watered, the ones, you know, in the dirt, they'll grow almost indefinitely until you've gotten enough slips, and then you can just keep planting what you got. It really, the only reason I stopped last year is because it got so late in the season that couldn't really plant anymore. So that's why I just quit growing anymore. But definitely got an early start this year. Gently, as gently as you can, pull that off from the potato. And just pick off these bottom leaves. This split right here, you can probably pull these apart. Got two now. Anyway, that's it. And those really, I mean, those are big enough. You could just about plant those now if the weather was right. You'd want it, it needs to be warmer for sweet potatoes, but those are about tall enough now. You can plant them if you got a good spot for them. But I mean, these will keep growing. I mean, they'll get so tall they'll start flopping over, because you know these are vines. Sweet potatoes grow in vines, so these will get as big as you let them right here until you're ready to plant them. So anyway, sweet potatoes, pretty easy, pretty fun, pretty cool. Something that some people don't know about sweet potatoes. They're related to the morning glory, the weed that grows in your garden, but the leaves are really great sauteed. A little bit of butter and some onion, kind of like a spinach leaf. You can't eat a white potato leaf because that will kill you, because the white potatoes are poisonous. But sweet potatoes, since they're not a true potato, you can eat the leaves. So that's it. I'll give another update once these others really start sprouting and growing. I'll show you tomatoes. They're coming along well. Got some herbs over there. Got some peppers, different kinds of peppers growing. Bunch of junk. Got a few strawberries that need a home. Anyway, that's it.